Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a stem and leaf display using R and my stikpetR library. Now I'm using Jupyter Lab, but this should also work in, for example, RStudio. I'm running R version 4.3 and I just restarted my kernel, so the only libraries or packages installed are the ones that come with R. A stem and leaf display is something that looks like this. In some cases they also put in front of it the cumulative frequencies, or for example SPSS puts the frequencies there. Sometimes they're sorted, the stem from top to bottom, sometimes from bottom to top. And this should actually then be multiplied with some factor. So for example in this case it's a factor of 10. So this is actually 40 and then a 5, so 45. So you keep to see all the data, and that also means if you have a lot of data, then this leaf plot will probably not be so useful anymore, and then a histogram will probably be better. If you're interested in how to create it fully manually, I have a small animated GIF on my website, but in this video I'll simply show you how you can create it yourself with Python. I need some example data, so I load in student statistics survey data. I only need one field, which is the age field, or any numeric field actually. So I'll choose that as my scale field. I'm removing missing values. There is one that actually entered 119. That should have probably been 19, so I'm going to replace that and then just make sure everything is numeric. Now my stikpetR library is not available on CRAN, so you can use install packages DevTools, and then using the DevTools you can just install it from my GitHub account. Then once you've installed it, you can load it just as any other library. The function of interest is a VI, short for visualization, stem and leaf. It only has a one required input, which is of course the data. And the key is the factor you want to use for the stems. So I can simply use this straight away, and as you can see I now nicely get two things. I actually get the stem and leaf display. It's actually all in console, so it's not a picture. And it also returns a data frame that you can actually just store, which has in the first column the stems and in the second column the leaves. Alright, so if you want to store that, you can just do it like this. It will still print out, of course, the stem and leaf plot once, and then you can refer to the stem and leaf data, and that will be then the data frame. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.